Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanish Notial. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of video to solve mathematical problem easily and understand it. Today's topic is real number to how to prove that a number is irrational or proving number is irrational. Yesterday we have already learned what is the definition of rational number and irrational number. So today we have take a question PRO prove that root 3 is irrational number. By this method we can solve any question, prove that irrational. So learn carefully. First we suppose let root 3 is a rational number. Rational number. Then it can be written in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are positive integer sorry, it may be negative, there's not problem for proof irrational are integers and they have no common factor other than 1 and Q not equal to 0. So root 3 is equal to P upon Q. For solving it, first we take square, because after square root are cancelled. Square of root 3, square of any root number is also that number. So answer is 3 is equal to P square upon Q square. Every time we take alphabet as a numerator and number as a denominator. All numbers are in denominator. If they are already in denominator, does not change. If they are in numerator, then it take in next side. So we got Q square is equal to P square upon 3. Because we change Q square in denominator, then we take in other side. Then it come numerator. And 3 is in as a numerator, then it change the side, then it is come in denominator. So Q square is equal to P square upon 3 from equation first. This is. Then we have know that if P square is divisible by 3, then P is also divisible by 3. Means if square of any number is divisible by a number, then that number is also divisible by that same number. So P is also divisible by 3, means we get some answer, then we take A. Means if we take cross multiplication, then P is equal to 3A. It is second. From first and second, Q square equal to P square, means we write the value of P 2 times, means 3A multiplied 3A upon 3. 1, 3 are cancelled. Again we follow previous rules. Write number as a denominator and alphabet as a numerator. Here all alphabet are in numerator, then does not need to change alphabet and different side. But number are in numerator, then change it. So imply that we get q square upon 3 equal to a square. So previous method, if q square is divisible by 3, then q is also divisible by 3. If q square is divisible by 3 and q is also divisible by 3. So then p and q are divisible by 3. Means if q is divisible by 3 and p is also divisible by 3, then p and q both are divisible by 3. Hence they have common factor. Hence 3 is common factor of p and q. If 3 is divide p and q both, then it is a common factor of both number. Then our suppose in starting, first we suppose p and q are integer and they have no common factor. Means it is contradiction of before statement. So our suppose is wrong. So we write hence our suppose is wrong, such that root 3 is irrational number. Such that root 3 is irrational number. Again I am repeating that for proving root 3 is irrational, first we suppose let root 3 is a rational number, then it can be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integer and they have no common factor other than 1 and q not equal to 0. So root 3 equal to p upon q. First we take square for cancel the root, then take square, we get 3 p square upon q square, imply that q square equal to p square upon 3, because we take alphabet as a numerator and number as a denominator. If it is in already in alphabet in numerator and number in denominator, we does not change. But if it is not, then we change, because here number in numerator, then we change. Here alphabet in denominator, then we also change it. In next step, p square is divisible by 3, then p is also divisible by 3. Then p upon 3 equal to a. M means some integers. After that, we see that p equal to 3a. Then write the value of p previous equation. 3a multiply 3a. 1 time 3 is cancelled. Then we get alphabet as a numerator. Then change the number as a denominator. 3 comes in denominator of q. Then q square is divided by 3 equal to a square. Means q square is divisible by 3. Then q is also divisible by 3. Then p and q are divisible by 3. Hence 3 is a common factor of p and q. Hence our suppose is wrong. So that root 3 is a irrational number. By this method we prove it is easily. But if we want to prove any other number, then does not need to change all of things. Just change the digit. Let's start. I change only digit. See where our digit are coming, change it. Only digit. Nothing are changed. See, here we have all digit only. In second time, we do not need to change any other things. Only just change the digit. Let's we take 2 root 7. 2 root 5. Prove that 2 root 5 is irrational. For proving it, just change the only digit. So here, let's 2 root 5 is irrational, then it can be written in the form of P upon Q, language are same, where P and Q are integer and they have no common factor other than 1 and Q not equal to 0. Here we write 2 root 5 is P upon Q. Take square. In square, we know that square of root is itself, but square of any other number are different. Multiply by itself. Means square of 2 is 2 to the 4 and square of root 5 is 5. Then 4 and 5 multiply each other. Then answer is 20. Here we get answer is 20. Then write here 20. Here P square is divisible by 20. Then P is also divisible by 20. P upon 20 equal to A means P equal to 20A. We write the value of in previous equation, then 20A multiply 20A. In denominator 20, one time is cancelled. In next step, Q square upon 20, A square as it is. If Q square is divisible by 20, then Q is also divisible by 20. Then P and Q are divisible by 20. Hence, 20 is common factor of P and Q. Hence our suppose is wrong, such that 2 root 5 is irrational number. For proving it, we do not need to change all of things, language, different alphabet, nothing, but only change the digit. You have always remember that square of root are itself, but square of number finding for multiply itself means square of 2 is 2 multiply 2 is 4. Root 5 multiplied by root 5 is 5. Then 4 5 is 20. It is our number. By solving it, we can prove any number. And here you have only remember that we take alphabet as a numerator and number as a denominator. Does not need to change any others. If it is already in denominator, then does not need to change number if they are in denominator. So thank you for watching this video. By this method, you can prove any number is irrational. So thank you. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. So thank you for watching this video.